If you're putting these 4 things on your face for pimples, you are not clearing your pimples, you are destroying your face instead. Number 1, toothpaste. This dries pimples overnight, but it's made for teeth, not your skin. It had fluoride plus methanol. That combo burns your skin barrier, causes dark spots, and makes pimples come back worse. Number 2, dirty powder foam. Dirty powder foam contains a lot of bacteria, germs that can clog your pores and cause more breakouts and blackheads. Number 3, baking soda. Baking soda has pH of 9. Your skin has pH of 5.5. That's like pouring bleach on your face barrier. Result: red, tight, sensitive skin that breaks out more. It doesn't balance oil, it destroys. Number 4, lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C for glow, right? Lemon has citric acid. It's photosensitive. Putting it on your face and going into the sun equals chemical burn. Dark patches that last for months. That glow is actually skin damage. Real vitamin C is made in the lab for a reason. Your skin barrier is like a wall. These 4 things are breaking your skin barrier. And instead, use a gentle cleanser, aloe vera, and have patience. Remember, Aunty Shade reminds us that beauty we no get care, na dust go cover am.